I have a little sweetheart bird that sings sweet songs to me. And now I know what failed me so when other birds sing songs to me. I had a little blue-clad bird whose trills were filled with mystery. But while she trilled, I felt my bird was thrilled by else but me. And once a fairy yellow bird beneath the orange tree sang sprightly strains, an elfish bird, and came quite close to me. And long, a saucy red-robed bird sang sensuous notes in tempting plea. At night she came so close, and oft I thought I loved her melody. I prized a sober, brown-hued bird that sang old songs to me, but she has flown, and none have known wherever my bird may be. And there was, too, a tiny bird that always seemed to flee. I closed her round, and then I found there was no fear of me. I spied a wild and pretty bird that warbled chords of glee. I thought, no love can capture her, she always will be free. But now I have a sweetheart bird that always stays so close to me. Her message wings as low she sings, and she sings but to me. And from her heart, my sweetheart bird lifts sweetest melody, and thus you know I named her so, but she is most sweet to me. I have a little sweetheart bird that sings sweet songs to me, and now I know what failed me so when other birds sing songs to me.